So today in this video we shall learn how to find a GCF of 160 and 240. So first of all we should know what the GCF stands for. So GCF stands for greatest common factor. So now in this video we shall find GCF of 160 and 240 by two methods. First one by factorization method and second one by division method. So first one GCF of 160 and 240 by factorization method. So while finding GCF by factorization method, we have to factorize both numbers. Means 160 and 240. So factorization of 160. So as we know, while factorizing we have to choose the lowest number which can divide the given number. So 2 times 80 means 160, like as 2 times 40 means 80, like as 2 times 20 means 40, like as 2 times 10 means 20, like as 2 times 5 means 10. Now 5 times 1 means 5. So we have factorized 160. Now we factorize another number 240. So factorization of 240. So 240. Now it is 2 times 120 means 240. 2 times 60 means 120. 2 times 30 means 60. 2 times 15 means 30. 2 times, now it is 3. So 3 times 5 means 15, like as 5 times 1 means 5. So now we have to write the factorizing number of both numbers. So we can write 160 is equal to 2 multiple 5. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 times 5 times 2. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 times 2, like as at last multiple 5. In the same way we can write 240 is equal to 1 2 3 4 times 2. So 1 2 3 4 times 2. Now here is 3 5. So it is 3 multiple 5. So we have write factorizing number of 160 and 240. So while finding GCF, we have to keep in mind that in GCF we write the multiple of common elements. So now we determine the common elements. So we have common elements in both 160 and 240 are, it is 2, like as 2 is also common element, like as 2, in the same way 2, and at last it is 5. So common elements are 1 2 3 4 times 2. So 1 2 3 4 times 2 into 5. So 2 and at last 5 are the common elements. So GCF is the product of the given common elements. So we can write GCF is equal to 2 multiple 2 means 4, 4 multiple 2 means 8, 8 multiple 2 means 16, and 16 multiple 4 means 80. So it is the product of all the common elements. So GCF of 160 and 240 is 80. Now in this way we can find the GCF by factorization method, and our second method is division method. So now we find GCF of 160 and 240 by division method. So while finding GCF by division method, we have to divide the greater number with the lower number. So 240 is the greater number which is divided by lower number 160. So 260 times 1 means 160. So it becomes 240 subtracted 160, then it is 80. So here remainder is 80. Now again divisor 160 is divided by the remainder 80. So 160 divided by 100 divided by 80. So 80 to the 80 times 2 means 160. Means here there is no remainder. So while finding GCF, we have to keep dividing the divisor with the remainder until there is no remainder at the last. So here is no remainder. So divisor 80 is the GCF. So we can write GCF is equal to 80. So while finding GCF by division method, we have to keep dividing the divisor with the remainder until there is no remainder at last. So here is no remainder. So this divisor 80 is the GCF. So in factorization method, GCF is 80. Like as in division method also, GCF is 80. So GCF of 160 and 240 is 80. Means 80 is the greater number of the highest number of the greatest number which can divide 160 and 240. So in this way we can find GCF by factorization and division method. So thank you. And if you have any problem regarding science or math, then you can comment your question in a comment below, and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.